Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fashion designer outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. These are all the items you can choose to create this outfit. Start from the hairstyles. You can choose this one and you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this hairstyle, color it with the same color and also this bangs. And you're going to put on this sunglass. Make it this color for the first selection and the second selection and put on this item and you're going to make it thick. Okay, and you're going to put on this top, make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, you can make it this red color or this maroon color, and then you're going to put on the skirt and again make it the same color for this selection. Okay, just make them same color and put on this belt, make it this brown color, and this one make it this color, the same color, and you're going to select this bag and you can color it with this red color for the first selection, white for the second selection, and this color for the third selection, fourth selection. And then you're going to put on this cap, make it this red color, and this gloves. And for this gloves, you're going to apply this pattern. This one, guys, you can apply this pattern. You can scroll down until you find this pattern, and then you're going to remove the fur. Okay, this is the pattern for the gloves, and then you're going to select this skirt as well, and you're going to make it skirt. You can make it dress, and then you're going to apply this color, the same red color. Okay, and then put on this item, make it this brown color. Okay, and what else? Okay, I think I have already mentioned all the items I have chosen for this outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this fashion designer outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.